Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the Sony booth looking at the projector lineup. We'll start at the end here. An oldie moldy, we reviewed this a while ago. This is the PHD 10. Okay, this is our entry-level lasers, 5,000 lumens. Now we move up to interchangeable lenses. This is brand new. We will be reviewing this one in August. 6,500 lumens, interchangeable lenses. It'll work vertically, on angles. It's got everything, all the usual stuff. Edge blending, constant brightness. They got new LCD panels, if I recall correctly, and a whole bunch of new processing compared to, say, the FHC 61, which we reviewed last year. Moving up the food chain to this guy, this is the FHZ 120. We've never reviewed it, although I did write an advertorial on that a while back, part of it. I want this one to play with, GTZ 240. You'll notice the lens on this little guy. They got planetarium software for this baby, and a lot of you know I'm a planetarium addict. Okay, let's get the specs there. And this one, got it. And then we have the GTZ 270. This one's been around for a while. Used a lot for scientific and things like that. Lots of lumens. It's 4K native. Price tag I don't remember, but I believe 30,000 upward. We have information on the site. That's about all. It is the Sony booth. It's packed. And this giant thing you see here is not projectors. It's actually a whole bunch of screens. If you look closely, you can see the seams between them. But it's impressive looking.